Membership of the Academic Union. The Academic Union is an international Oxford-based association of over 300 universities, chancellors and scientists and researchers coming from over 40 countries. The committee and the union as a whole pursue the ideals of academic excellence, innovation and accessibility, and are committed to disseminating these core values through its worldwide community. The primary aim of the union is to join the efforts of scientists, academics and business to develop a unique teaching methods and education models of the universities of the future. And these will meet the challenges posed by the 21st century. Next in this category, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to invite up Ebenezer Ankomah Gyamera, the CEO of Gyam Engineering and Construction Works Limited from Ghana.